Cold call.
Yes. Thank you for very amazing service today.
Thank you very much and hope to see you back again.
Yes, for sure. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to explore some of the island here in Bahamas. And this is a very special day because it's my friend's birthday today. There you go, please welcome the celebrant. Happy birthday to you, my dear. At talagang he's a very kind, sweet person pag walang tupak na. I'm just kidding, yeah. He's a very nice guy, guys. So, yeah, I hope he enjoy his birthday trip today. Although we're going to like explore this beautiful, or let's say paradise island here in Bahamas. And another thing that I love this country is number one, the weather. I love Bahamas weather because I am the kind of person na mahilig sa warm weather. So let's go explore together. And there you go, the pig feeding or swimming with the pig. It's a very quick video, guys, since it's too late na nag-decide akong mag-vlog this one because I supposed to enjoy this trip without vlog since this is not my first time. So kaya parang gusto ko na lang sana siyang i-enjoy. But yeah, I realize it's my friend's birthday, so it's good to have some souvenir, right? So we're done for today. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, you too.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to us.
Parang pisi ako
Wow. Yes, total. Yeah, thank you for the wonderful service. It's amazing. And yes, guys, it's my friend's birthday today, and tomorrow it's my birthday too. So yeah, it's our birthday, both of us. And then yeah, let's we're done for today, and yeah, we're now going to have some refreshment. Dito sa pineapple? Why are you sad? Actually, he's sad because you forgot the slipper sa island. Why? Na-overwhelm ka sa pig? Because of the pig? So, it's okay. We're going back to the cruise, but for now, we have to buy some pineapple. Behind us, there's lots of pineapple. Sit down first. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching our very short video here in Bahamas. Thank you, and hope to see you next episode. Bye now.